Hi, second graders. Ms. Fogelman here for your math lesson today. So let's get started. As you know, we have been working on multi-step problems. And give me one moment. I need to make sure when I share it. There we go. So we have been working on multi-step problems. And today we're going to continue that. Let me start our slideshow. All right, so today is October 1st, the first day of October. It's just breezing along, isn't it? So today is our math lesson, and our learning target is the student will be able to decide how many steps there are in a word problem in order to find the answer to the question that is asked. Here is our question, and again, I'm going to stop my share because I do need to make sure I get my pen. There it is. Okay. In the morning, there were 5 students in the cafeteria. 12 more students came in. After a few minutes, some students leave. Then there are 10 students still in the cafeteria. How many students left the cafeteria? Okay, so what is the problem asking us to find? Because there's a lot of steps to this problem, but ultimately it's only asking us one question. And that question is, how many students left the cafeteria? Okay, so ultimately our final answer has to be the answer to how many students left the cafeteria. So what information are we given? Well, we know that in the morning there were 5 students in the cafeteria. Then 12 more came in. But after a few minutes, some students have left. Then there are only 10 in the cafeteria. Okay, so ultimately what we're trying to figure out is this, how many students leave. Okay, so let's start with our first step, which in the first step, we need to find out how many students there were after the 12 more came in. So ultimately, we're putting those two numbers together, the 5 and the 12, so we know that we need to add first. So we're going to say 5 plus 12. Okay. Whoop. And that is going to be 1 set of 10, 2 ones, and then 5 ones. Okay, so that's 5, 6, 7, and 1 set of 10. So it is 17. All right, so there's 17 children in the cafeteria. But after a few minutes, it says some students leave. So we don't know what that number is, but we know that once they've left, there are only 10 students still in the cafeteria. So our unknown statement or equation is 17 minus, because they're leaving, right? This random group of people that we don't know how many have left the cafeteria. So we know we need to subtract. And we know that once they leave the cafeteria, there's only 10 people left, okay? And ultimately, we want to find out how many students left the cafeteria, okay? So it's 17 minus this number that we don't know equals 10. All right, so we're going to do a little number line. Keep our options open on which strategies we'd like to use. And so I'm going to start with the 10 because that is the lower number. And I'm going to count up till I get to 17. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is jump a 5. That leaves me at 15. Remember, we have to put our number down here. Some of you are forgetting to do that. And we also need to put what we added up here, okay, which is 5. Then how many do we need to go from 15 to 17? We only need 2, so that's 2 more. So what is 5 plus 2? 7. So 17 minus 7 equals the 10 students that are still in the cafeteria. So when the question asks how many students left the cafeteria, we would say 7 left the cafeteria, which left us with 10 students in there. All right, let me go ahead and erase this. And we'll go on to the next slide. All right, so we did do our 2-step word problem. Now I'd like to go back to vocabulary and work on some of our addition facts that we're practicing. So let me go ahead and get this started. Hopefully. There we go.
You ready? Clap for me, hey. Just clap and tell no lies. Tell me what numbers add to 5. 5 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 2, now flip that son. 0 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, there are no more. That's adding to 5, and it's not that crazy. Now on to the next one, just like Jay-Z. So what adds up to 6? Just check the rhyme and see if it sticks. 6 plus 0 and 5 plus 1, 4 plus 2 and 3 plus 3, yeah. You wanna know some tricks? Flip those numbers, you're still at 6. 0 plus 6 and 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4 and 3 plus 3. Adding numbers up is so easy. They even do it in France like ah oui oui.
It's the 5, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Flow cap, oh yeah, all up in the mix.
Yup, it's the 6 minus 1 is 5. Math rap on the track, and you know why.
It's the 5, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Flow cap, oh yeah, all up in the mix.
Yup, it's the 6 minus 1 is 5. Math rap on the track, and you know why.
Woo! What if we wanna subtract? That's all good, we'll take it right back. 5 minus 4 is undone. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 3 is brand new. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 2 is climbing a tree. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 1 does her chores. 5 minus 1 equals 4. That was 5, but next on the mix are a few facts for the number 6. 6 minus 5 is on a roll or a bun. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 6 minus 4 is just like you. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 3 starts with a T. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 6 minus 2, rich or poor. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 6 minus 1 is bigger in size. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Math is easy, it seems to me. My Mexican friends agree and they yell out C.
5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, now let's subtract. Everybody get ready for the facts. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 1 is 5.
It's the 5, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Flow cap, oh yeah, all up in the mix.
Yup, it's the 6 minus 1 is 5. Math rap on the track, and you know why.
It's the 5, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Flow cap, oh yeah, all up in the mix.
Yup, it's the 6 minus 1 is 5. Math rap on the track, and you know why.
All right. Keep practicing those math facts and have a good day.